Hi, my name is Chikode. So when black women openly express their pain, their fears, their heartbreak, their vulnerability and rage, they are often accused of being an angry black woman. Well, today I will be introducing you to one of those women, and her name is Ketanji Brown Jackson, the soon to be the first female African American justice of the Supreme Court of the United States of America. Well, it took us 41 years to get here, but we are finally here because 1981 was the year the first woman, Sandra Day O'Connor, was ever appointed to the Supreme Court of the United States of America. And 41 years later, a black woman has finally earned her right to that seat, and history is about to be made. And I am thrilled. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, the soon to be the first black woman appointed to the Supreme Court of the United States of America, is also making another history as the first former federal public defendant on the highest court. Ironically, the only other Supreme Court justice in U.S. history with a criminal defense background, but not a public defendant, was Thurgood Marshall, who became the nation's first black Supreme Court justice in 1967. So, the soon-to-become first black female Supreme Court justice, she was born in Washington, D.C. and raised in Miami from the age of 3 by her parents, who were both public teachers until her father became a lawyer and her mother eventually a school principal. Judge Jackson said her interest in law started at an early age while watching her father study when he was attending law school. So this man was attending law school and raising his young family at the same time. Kudos to him. What a positive role model. With positive role models like this in her life, Ketanji Brown Jackson went to Harvard University and graduated with honors from Harvard and Harvard Law School, where she was an editor of the Law Review. She met her husband, Dr. Patrick Jackson, at Harvard University, whom she now shares 2 beautiful daughters with. Judge Jackson famously said in a speech about the big comparison between her husband's white family and her own family. She said, "My husband's family can be traced back to England before the Mayflower. He and his twin brother are, in fact, the 6th generation in their family to graduate from Harvard University. But in contrast to me, I am only the 2nd generation in my family to go to any college. And I am fairly certain that if you trace my family lineage past my grandparents, who were raised in Georgia, by the way, you will find that my ancestors were slaves on both sides." After graduating from Harvard, she clerked for 3 federal judges, including Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer. Ironically, this is the same judge she will be replacing once he retires this year. If Judge Jackson's nomination is confirmed, she will be taking a prestigious seat that has long been out of reach for many women of color, and for that I am thrilled and happy. It makes me so excited when black women make great news like this, because often black women are not portrayed in positive lights. Thank you for listening. Keep working hard and never stop dreaming.